I'm here today to give you an EOS update. We're going to be breaking this down from a technical analysis market structure perspective. Then once we're done with that, we're going to be going into some extreme price predictions over the next 6 to 12 months of how high this asset could go. And also we're going to be going into extremely profitable buying areas for this asset if you are to get into this now and hold it for the next 6 to 12 months or so. If you like the content, smash a like on it. You know what to do. Not going to keep you guys too long. Let's get deep down, dirty and deceitful into the charts. Starting off with Bitcoin here from a market structure perspective. As you can see, we do have all these yellow lines here. These are confirmed higher lows. Okay, the most recent confirmed higher low for this macro uptrend here for EOS is actually down at around 9 cents. Okay, as you can see here, we saw a really nice rally to the upside, the significant pullback we were looking for, and then the break of this high confirming this higher low here. Okay, now what have we seen most recently for that after seeing this high get tapped here? Before we continue with this video, guys, I want to talk to you about a cryptocurrency webinar that I am hosting every single day, and this is a simple 5-step strategy on how you can make a 5-figure a month income in as little as 42 days. Okay, every single attendee who attends this webinar will get a trading strategy worth $250, and also you'll be getting $300 worth of mindset trading strategies and abilities as well, given away on every single call here. And also, guys, guess what? It's completely free. So if this is something you're interested in, please go to the link in the description or click up there, click up there, and you'll see a nice link to the cryptocurrency webinar where you can learn a brand new strategy for free. But that's it for now. Back to the video. Massive dump down to test the previous high low, which is absolutely fine, guys. It's still in a bullish trend here because we have respected that in terms of support. The bouncing area, the momentum that we can see from that zone was actually really strong, worth around 26% to the upside. So what does that tell us? If we do come down to this area again, we're still going to be bullish, guys. We're still in this bullish market structure. This bullish trend still looking really good. But what it's telling us is basically there's going to be a potential bounce here worth, I'd say, half of this. So looking for around 15% to the upside if that bounce is going to come into fruition. And as you can see from there, it's going to basically mean that we are going to be looking for a move to the upside to the 0.382 Fibonacci retracement. So very clean trade there. Just to be referencing there. But yeah, overall, guys, you've got a nice period of relaxation, because if you dump down even 19% here, you're still going to be bullish. The market structure is still holding strong. So yeah, it's still really nice, especially coming to the halving, guys. You're likely to see a bit more downside here for cryptocurrency in general. Okay, one thing that I would be cautious about is this 0.5 Fibonacci retracement, guys. You can see we did test that here on the macro. Was a fake out scenario for continuation to the downside, because you can see the support held up really nicely there. But usually when we do see us cross this this area and hold it with conviction to the downside and see that resistance play out, usually that does mean that the reversal of the trend is confirmed. Okay, so we didn't see that play out today, didn't get that conviction, that continuous candle body close scenario, so that's very bullish to see. And what we are seeing now is a really nice micro uptrend. So what I'm going to be doing, I'm going to be going into the micro timeframes here for EOS and looking at this uptrend to see how strong this currently is. And overall, I mean, that is really clean here. Let's get some trend lines going in and let's see what we're working with here. So we're aiming to get as many touches as possible here alongside here. So we're going to be going from this candle body close here and then just editing this alongside. So you can see we're actually getting really strong levels of resistance along this zone, but we're continuously tapping it. Okay, guys, this is very important stuff. If we're continuously tapping something, usually it means that we're going to break it to the upside. Okay, so that's another bullish sign here for EOS here, looking really strong. And what I do want to do here, I do want to do a copy and paste scenario there and see how that lines up. You can see really clean, a nice upward sloping parallel channel here, little bit of spillage to the downside here, absolutely fine, absolutely expected. What we can do to mitigate that is just have a little trap zone that we can draw in like so, and it all works from parallel levels. And you can see pretty much every single time that we come down, we test this sort of area, it's a fake out scenario there, and this is basically why we call it the trap zone. Okay, so basically this tells us here for the future, if we're falling deep down and dirty into this zone, I know it is a rising parallel channel, guys. Rising parallel channels, they do tend to usually break to the downside. Okay, so we basically need to be cautious of that if we do see us break down. Okay, if we do see us break down, we've got that disgusting little trap zone to be referencing there, so we're not going to be getting in until we clear that. And then you've got the 0.382, so if we are looking for a move, it'll probably be around 4% there. But But with us breaking highs, with this trend looking really strong here, I probably would just expect upside. Okay, I probably would just expect upside for EOS right now, obviously depending on what Bitcoin is doing. And you can see again, just looking at previous price action from this horizontal I just drew in, massive momentum, massive levels of support here. So if we are, which we have, just cleared this area, I would probably expect a micro pullback over the next sort of few hours or so, and then continuation to the upside inside of this chart pattern, probably tapping highs of around 1.148, which is very bullish here for EOS. Now, let's go into a price prediction on the macro time frame here, guys, because I want to break this down to see if you were to buy this asset now, how much money or how many X's, if you will, like 10x, 20x, right? How much money you could be making in the next 6 to 12 months if you were to buy this now, because we know we're coming into alt season just after the halving. So let's dissect that using previous all-time highs as the data there. So previous all-time highs that we do have on CMC for EOS here is going to be all the way up at $17. Yeah, near enough 18. Yeah, 18.1 we do have there. So 18.1 is on the chart. So let's jump back to that there, and let's do a price range from where we are now to 18.1, and then it will basically give us a nice sort of price prediction, what we can sort of expect here for the next 6 to 12 months here, okay? Because, and also guys, we need to take into consideration every time we come to these all-time high sorts of levels in that massive bull market, we usually break them to the upside, okay? So what did we say that we saw? 18.1, and if we're using this right now, 18.1 from our live price is going to be a 16x on our investment, okay? So you put in $1,000, you're going to walk away with $16,000. Unbelievable stuff here for EOS. Definitely a coin that you don't want to overlook here. Currently, market cap is down at around 1.2 billion. Seriously low compared to the prices that we have seen previously for this asset. So this is definitely a coin that I really would be watching over the next couple of weeks. Next couple of months or so for a nice solid explosion to the upside. There's basically easy free money to be made here. Okay. But yeah, that's going to be EOS update, guys. Let me know what you guys think in the chat, whether you hold EOS, whether you're going to be buying this, whether you're going to be, when did you buy it as well, and whether you're going to be holding it for 6 to 12 months or so. I'm very intrigued to see. So let me know in the comment section. If you like the content, guys, smash a like on it. It does help out the channel tremendously. And notification bell on, you know the drill. But yeah, that's going to be it from me today. I'll see you in the next one. Peace out.